Hi, my name is Elizabeth Uzubaimana and I'm studying modern languages at Ansel College. Today I'll be showing you a website called Duolingo. This website will help you improve the language that you're trying to learn for free. This website helped me improve my Spanish because when I arrived to college, I was placed into an advanced Spanish group, and this website helped me improve my Spanish so that I could understand better. So you're going to write in the address bar www.duolingo.com, and you're going to arrive in this main page. You're going to click to get started. You are going to choose the language that you want to learn or improve. In our case is to improve. You can choose Hindi, European, Swahili, but I will choose Spanish to demonstrate you this website. After that, you're going to choose your daily goal. You can practice 5 minutes per day, 10 minutes per day, 50 or 20 minutes per day. It's your choice. We're going to go with 5 minutes per day. And after that, we're going to do a placement test so that they can see in what level we are. And yeah, because we already know some Spanish, we want to improve the language that we are learning. So we're going to do the placement test. It's pretty easy. They write to you a question and you're just going to answer. It's okay if it's wrong or right. They are going to correct you. It's okay. So the question is, write this in Spanish. Hello, nice to meet you. So if I did an error, they're just going to correct me. So it was hola encantado, and I'm just going to continue. It's okay. And yeah, after I finish the test, I'm going to arrive in a main page like this, and this is my session. You have all the skills that you're going to practice. Restaurant, family, you have a lot of choices, and you can unlock other choices. And yeah, it's pretty easy. So I'm just going to show you how does it work. You're going to click to a topic. They're going to give you a tip, and this tip is the difference between two with accent and two without an accent, and you're just going to read it, and after that you're going to do the lesson. So it's like the placement test. You're going to answer their question and the same time improve the language. So the question is, mark the correct meaning. So it's your house. You have blanco domicilio, tu casa la tiene tuya. So the answer is tu casa. I'm going to click, check, it's correct. You're just going to move on. It's correct. If you do an error, you're just going to continue, and when you're done, if you succeed, you're just going to upgrade in the level. And this website is really cool. You can discuss with other users, and you have podcasts to help you. You have events, stories. Yeah, it's really great, and I recommend this website to help you, and thank you guys.